just woke up, by the way, too. So today's video, I'm opening a Itachi figurine. So I have the lights, like there's only one light, and it's one light, other light's broken. So I'm opening this Itachi figurine. It's basically Itachi and Sasuke, basically, but I didn't buy Sasuke. I bought Itachi because he's one of my favorites. And I bought it from this orange pocket, right here. Orange pocket. Stay tuned to what you love. Oh, here's the receipt. Oh, that's my food one. Anyways, so this was $38.99. The tax was $2.22, so it's $42.21. It's crazy. And I bought it. Me, my mom, and my sister went to Katy. This is where I got it from. Orange Pocket in Katy, Texas. So in Houston, basically. And so yeah. I'll put it down below if you want to see, to buy any of them. There are still a lot of other ones. Yeah, it's basically this, and let's open it. God, I hate when this there's a thing here. Hold on, guys. Thing. Got it. There we go. And my mom just texted me. She's getting McDonald's. Even though yesterday we bought, for dinner, we bought Chipotle. But yeah. Let's see. Oh my god, it has two things on the side. Dang. Come on, bruh. I hate when it does this, bruh. Oh my god, I got one side. I need to, Jesus, can I just like, hold on. I have scissors. This is only for use, only safety use. Like, I don't know. Because I'm tired of this BS. There you go. That's what I have. Okay. This was like $42. Well, $38.99 plus tax was $42.21. for this. And Katie, mine, y'all. And it's Itachi figurine. Ooh, okay, there's the box. This box here. Gosh, do I have to? Oh my god, this. There you go. There's his legs, and then his body, and then this one. I don't have a stand-up area for these figurines, because I have a whole bunch of them in a box right now. So yeah. Can I just use, I'm gonna use my scissors for safe use only. If I can. Yeah. Safe use only. Here's the body. Well, his legs, basically. Itachi's legs. Oh, I see his arm. One of his arms. Here's him. Oh my god, I love his thing. And there's his arm. Like, in his arm here. His arm. There you go. There's his arm. And then now look. This thing. I'm gonna put it all back, and because I don't have a place to put all his the figurines at, because it's all in a box right now. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. That's his top, bottom. Okay, let's put all him together. Here's his thing. Put his left arm here. If I can put his arm in here. There's his arm and him. So, let me put him like, oh my gosh. That's him right there. So, yeah. And I'm putting this thing now, and then his legs. There you go. Let's do this again, and there's him and his body. Now his this. Oh, it's a thing here. There we go. There you go, right there. There's Itachi. Looks so cool. I wish we had an all light here so it'll light up the whole room. But yeah, that's Itachi. That's cool. But yeah, I'm gonna put him all back and put in the thing because I don't have a place to put him at, nor a Gojo that I have inside the boxes basically. But yeah, this is basically him. $42 for this. And I bought an album. If you guys saw in my last video, I bought that album. For me and my sister, like an all new album for me and my sister. And yeah. Anyways, I'll have to take a photo of this, and yeah. If you guys like this video, comment down below, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, if you guys want me to see more of these videos, comment down below. Or I can go to like vlogging or whatever, but I don't know if that's gonna happen though. But yeah, bye guys. Here's Itachi. I bought for $42. Which is crazy. Orange pocket. Yeah, that's just basically. Anyways, yeah.
Promise you you'll catch me.